Hey guys, what's up? It's Eric with the Hotbox Pizza Truck. I'm back. We got a call-in order. We're going to knock out 3 9-inch pies. We're going to do a pepperoni, a margarita, and a sausage and peppers. So here we go, guys. I hope everybody's doing well. I hope you guys are enjoying these videos. Like I was just saying in a previous video, I'm going to start trying to get back after these. I wish I could just do them all day, every day, non-stop, but it's only me, myself, and I in here, so I get a little busy. It's tough to answer phones, take money, deal with customers, make pizzas when I get busy, so when I've got some call-in orders and I know I can take the time to shoot a little video for you guys, I will. And that's exactly what we're doing here. But few new subscribers out there, and I appreciate it, guys. If you like what I'm doing, please hit the button. Leave some comments. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know what you guys want to see. If you want to see anything, if you have any questions, shoot away. Alright, just pre-stretch our dough out here. And I think we'll do the sausage and peppers first, then we'll move over to the pepperoni, and we'll do the margarita last. Margarita last, because it's a real light pie. There's not a lot of ingredients. I don't think it needs to cook as long as the rest do. And I like to get those margaritas up in the dome, get them real pretty looking. So I can actually, with that pizza going last, I can rush it along. So that way the three of them come out as close together as possible. I always try to make the most difficult pizza first, the one with the most ingredients or the one that takes the most time, whatever. And I guess that's what we'll do here. Mark calling, we'll have to call him back. He's not a customer. Probably just calling to see how the rest of the camping trip went. He was out riding his dirt bike in Croom National Forest. If any of you guys ever ride dirt bikes, have ridden dirt bikes, four-wheelers, look the place up. It's a rider's paradise. I mean, the different areas to ride, the different terrain. Man, you could spend a whole day out there. I've spent so much time in those woods just riding and in company of good people, having good fun. It's just really a neat place. So he was up riding this weekend. And we camp in the Croom Forest with Lacoochee National Forest, Croom area, Croom Wildlife Management area. And he was right around the corner, so he swung up and hung out for a little bit. And so he's probably just calling to check to see how the rest of the camping weekend went, which it went amazing. Can't wait to go again. Good old Marky Mark, he's getting married. Well, we're almost in February. He's getting married in March. We're going to take a little trip up north to the Georgia mountains, and his wedding's going to be up there. And we're gonna be camping in the Georgia mountains, which is we're very excited about that. That's going to be neat. We're going to stay for a week up there. That'll be my little boy's, probably I think about 14th camping trip, and he's not even 3. He'll be 3 in a couple weeks. So he's got some serious trips under his belt. My little baby girl, she's 6 months old, and she's already got 4 camping trips under her belt, and she's already a little pro, little Gracie Faye. Great little campers. So there's the sausage and peppers. Let's go ahead and get this up and rolling. Piece of wood on the side. I think you guys know how I do it by now. another little piece off to the side in case we start losing some flame. Alright. Sausage and peppers. There she is, and there she goes. And onto the pepperoni. A little flour so it doesn't stick. Bring your dough over here. A little sauce. A little oregano. And I don't do the oregano on my margaritas. That's why I don't put the oregano in the sauce. I keep it in a little shaker and do it separate for that very reason. And let's hit this thing with some pepperonis. Keep an eye on that oven over there because you'll burn a pie quickly. And we're looking good on the temp. Alright. It's nearly February and I'm sweating in the truck. I've only had 2 days so far that I could wear pants in here. You wait all year for winter to come along in Florida and it never comes. Oh well. Flour. Go ahead and get this on there, and let's go ahead and get this other pizza finished up and get it out. I'm gonna move this, see if we can't get a different view for you guys, a little closer. Like I said, guys, I'm just using my cell phone for this. Some of this video is good, some of it's bad. It's all going up. It's real. Take a look at that beauty. In the box it goes. Let's give this a turn. Cut this one. Off to the side it goes. Swing back around. Hopefully you guys aren't getting extreme close up here, or I'm scaring you and freaking you out. No oregano. Oven's hot. Move that a little bit forward. Mozzarella cheese. Fresh mozzarella. Go ahead and generous amount. Pull it apart. Throw it on there. Nice mozzarella. Balls. Torn up. Shredded up. However you want to do it. Alright. Can you smell that? I get generous with it. I put mine on before, some people put it on after, and that's why I go generous, because you lose some. Italian sea salt, you lose it to shrinkage, it just shrinks out. So I put a little, I get crazy with it. And the margarita's ready to go in. Get a box. Shove this, get this even closer. See how that looks. Oh yeah. Look at the color on that. Oh, look at that. I turned you guys while I was trying to show you. It was professional photography around here. Nice little spin. Let's get a little aggressive with this. Fire a little stir.